Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today we discussed on determination of internal resistance by using potentiometer. For this we have a descriptive diagram. First we have potentiometer from point A to point B. Here three wires, one from A to this point, then turn here, then turn to B. So three wire, each wire indicates here the 1 meter length. So it is a 3 meter length potentiometer. Okay. Now understood about the external circuit. एक्सटर्नल सर्किट स्टूडेंट वो होगा जिसमें हम एक्सटर्नल सोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे. सो फ्रॉम ए टू बी इज अ एक्सटर्नल सर्किट. व्हाट द एलिमेंट्स आर कनेक्टेड, व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स आर कनेक्टेड इन एक्सटर्नल सर्किट? दोज आर अ परमानेंट सोर्स और बैटरी, एलिमिनेटर ऑफ सोर्स E. नेक्स्ट इज अ one way key. Second is rheostat is connected, and then we reach to point B. Okay, then internal circuit को समझिए. That is internal circuit, the battery whose internal resistance we need to calculate is connected positive terminal with the potentiometer terminal A, and then the negative terminal of battery is connected with the help of galvanometer. Okay, and the other end of galvanometer is connected with a jockey, and jockey is used to find the balancing potential length, that is at where the current Ig is equal to 0. That is the point J1. Then after the internal resistance, the battery whose EMF is calculated or determined, or whose internal resistance is calculated here, is connected with a parallel resistance box with the help of again second one way key, and then the jockey is used to find the variation in the length, and we get the second balancing point with the help of the key is applied. ठीक है, और उन दोनों कंडीशन को हम क्या करेंगे, यहां पर इक्वेट करेंगे, एंड देन आफ्टर वी फाइंड द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ईएमएफ एंड टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. ओके, फॉर दिस, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now we start the description of this. First, descriptive diagram. Description. Description of diagram. Source battery. First, in external circuit, in external circuit, source of potential difference E is connected is connected by a one-way key, then rheostat connect to other terminal of key. Then positive terminal of E connect to terminal E of potentiometer, and negative terminal is connected to B with the help of K1 and rheostat. This is all about the external circuit. Next, the internal circuit. In internal circuit, positive terminal of cell whose internal resistance determine is connected with A point and negative terminal of cell connect with galvanometer whose other terminal connected to a jockey to get balancing potential point. Point. For Ig is 0. Okay. Next, a resistance box. A resistance box is connect parallel to cell with the help of another or other one-way key. K2. This is the description of diagram. Copy this. Then we understood about the working of this application. Okay, students. Working. First, key K1 is plus. Okay, now working of internal resistance of potentiometer. In working, first key K1 is closed. Okay, when K1 is closed, then circuit circuit includes external source, and cell only with galvanometer. Resistance box not include. Therefore, according to principle of potentiometer, potentiometer balancing point J1 is observed. That is, E1 is equal to rho L1. This is equation first. Second, when K2 is closed, it observed that then resistance box is connected with internal circuit, For this case, terminal potential difference of cell, terminal potential difference of cell is terminal potential difference of cell is observed as balancing point J2. Okay, for this V is equal to rho L2. This is equation second. Therefore, on comparing or on dividing equation first by equation second, we get E1 upon V is equal to rho L1 upon rho L2. Therefore we observe here E1 upon V is equal to L1 upon L2. Okay, this is equation A. Copy this point till this. Equation A. Okay. Now we know that that EMF of cell is given by E is equal to V. 1 minute. Terminal potential difference. Terminal potential difference of cell is given by V is equal to E minus I R, where I is current drawn by potentiometer, and small r is internal resistance of cell. Therefore, by using this equation, we get for cell we have EMF is E1. Therefore, we get IR is equal to E1 minus V. Now this V is common, taken as common. We get V as common, E1 upon V minus 1. Okay. Now this I is transferred here. So small r is equal to V upon I, E1 upon V minus 1. Okay. From equation A, we have R is equal to this value. We have resistance R and E1 upon V is equal to L1 upon L2 minus 1, because we have E1 upon V is equal to L1 upon L2 with the help of potentiometer. Therefore, we calculate it. Internal resistance of cell is R multiplied with L1 minus L2 upon L2. This is the determination of internal resistance of given cell with the help of potentiometer. This is formula for internal resistance in terms of balancing length. Okay, student, this is the complete description about potentiometer, in which we learn the two applications, in which first is comparing of resistance and second is determination of internal resistance. Now, potentiometer is very precise comparison to the voltmeter. That is why we prefer to calculate the EMF of cell potentiometer in place of voltmeter, because student, if voltmeter is used to measure the EMF of the cell, so it cannot calculate the EMF, it will calculate the terminal potential difference of cell. That is V is equal to E minus IR. Okay, this is measured by voltmeter. This measurement is called terminal potential difference, not EMF of cell, because voltmeter draws some current from the cell for its own working. Therefore, voltmeter not gives perfect value of EMF of cell. Okay, but potentiometer meter draws very small current, very small current, which is in milliamperes. So it measure the terminal potential difference in millivolt. So in case of potentiometer, V is equal to E minus IR. Ig is equal to 0 for balancing length. Okay, that is I into R is called Ig into R, and which is become 0. Therefore V is equal to E, that is the terminal potential difference is equal to, that is terminal potential difference is equal to EMF of cell. So this is advantage of potentiometer over voltmeter. Okay, so potentiometer is prefer to calculate EMF of cell in place of voltmeter. Thank you. Copy this point. Why potentiometer is prefer over voltmeter to calculate or to find EMF of cell. Thank you.